Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Hassan Minhaj, here to break down this trade war thing between the US and Canada. It's like watching your two divorced uncles fight at Thanksgiving dinner, awkward, messy, and you just know someone's gonna end up with cranberry sauce on their face. So picture this. Trump drops a bomb, a 100% tariff on Canadian cars and metals. That's right, double the price. Now Canada's like the chill cousin who always brings the good snacks to the party. They're the U.S. biggest trading partner, sending over 2 million cars and tons of steel south every year. But with these tariffs, it's like the US just slapped away Canada's peace offering of poutine. This ain't just about cars and metal though, it's about power, economics, and who gets to be the bigger dog on the North American playground. These tariffs are like a gut punch to the Canadian economy, especially for industries relying on exports to the US. Now Canada ain't no pushover. They hit back with their own tariffs, and they aim straight for the American dream machine Tesla. That's right, Elon Musk's electric baby got caught in the crossfire. Canada slapped a 100% tariff on Tesla, making those sleek electric vehicles about as affordable as a private island. It's a bold move considering Tesla's popularity, but it sends a clear message. You want to play dirty? Two can play at this game. This ain't just about hurting Tesla sales though, it's about sending a message to the US that Canada's got options. They're looking across the pond at the European Union like, hey, you guys single? 'Cause we're feeling a little neglected over here. Enter CETA, the Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement. It's like Tinder for trade deals, and Canada's swiping right on the EU. This agreement could be a game changer, opening up a massive market for Canadian goods and potentially lessening their dependence on the US. Imagine a world where Canadian maple syrup flows freely into Parisian cafes, and German cars cruise down Canadian highways without breaking the bank. That's the promise of CETA, and it's looking more and more tempting as the US continues its tariff tantrum. Of course, it ain't all sunshine and roses. Shifting trade alliances takes time, effort, and a whole lot of paperwork. But hey, desperate times call for desperate measures, and Canada's playing the long game. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: electric vehicles. Canada's been making moves to embrace the EV revolution, even ending some purchase incentives because the demand was so high. But these tariffs are throwing a wrench in the works. With Teslas suddenly costing as much as a small house, Canadians might think twice about going electric. And with the US potentially slapping tariffs on other EV imports, the whole market could hit the brakes. This trade war ain't just about economics, it's about the future of transportation. And right now, the road to a greener electric future is looking a little bumpy. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.